hang up on his ass.
I won't.
Thanks for calling East Coast. This is Beatrice. How can I help you?
Yeah, my name is Gomez. Can you help me out? I need a ride.
Okay, what's the address we're picking you up at?
I'm at the Four Queens Hotel and Casino. Can you?
Hotel. You can actually go out to the main entrance and there should be some cabins.
Yeah, but you know, you don't understand. I went out there and the guy that I went to and I talked to, he didn't like me and he passed me by and there was no cabs left after that. So I paid the guy at the front of the hotel and casino at the Four Queens and I gave him a tip and he said he would call you guys and then you didn't come and I waiting forever and I waiting and I waiting and I waiting and I wanna go to the Treasure Island. I will tip much money. What do you want? Jewels, money, cars, wealth, what do you want? What do you want?
Okay, we'll go ahead and send somebody else.
I am a very extravagant man. I'm very extravagant. I have lots of money. I will pay.
Okay, not a problem.
I don't know how I got stuck at this place. I don't know how I got stuck here. But if you could just send a man to come pick me up, it would be great.
We'll go ahead and send somebody. Just go ahead and go out there and then give it about 10 minutes.
No, I need you. I want you to come work for my business. I want you to work for me. Can you work for my business? I want you to work for me.
No, I'm sorry, sir. I do apologize.
Well, can you stay on the phone with me until the guy comes? Because the last lady she sounded just like you. She sounded just like you, and the guy never come, you know, and he, I think he threw a drink in my face. I don't know. I'm at the Four Queens. I'm at the Four Queens in the front.
I can't do this no more, man. Oh shit! Oh my god! It's still going? Oh shit!
Golden skirt with pink pumps. With pink pumps. Okay. Grazie, Bella. I thank you very much. I hate you. Fuck you and your family.